Hey everybody, it's Mr. Cognetti again from Citizenship Academy, and today we're going to be working on Module 6, Lesson number 11. And yesterday we worked on adding multiples of 10 to another multiple of 10. So we were working on big two-digit numbers. We're going to be working with two-digit numbers again today. However, we're going to take a multiple of 10 and add any two-digit number to it. So that means not an even group of 10. We're going to have a group of 10 with some extra ones, all right? So it's going to make it a little bit trickier, all right? What I want you to work on right now is I want you to look at this number sentence and try and solve it. You should definitely be able to solve it. It is going to be one just like we did in our last class. 40 plus 30. So 40 plus 30. Well, let me rewrite the 4. Hold on. 40 plus 30. All right? I want you to try and solve that any way you think you can. Go ahead and take a couple seconds and do that. Okay. If you need more time, which you might, I'm trying to go a little bit quick here so I don't make this video super long. But if you need more time, pause the video, all right? 40 plus 30. Now, I would love to be able to hear how you guys solve this. But since this is only one way, I'm going to try and guess on a couple different ways of how you solve this, all right? So, I'm going to give a couple methods. You be paying attention for the method you used. Hopefully, some of you used the method we did last time, where we split this into 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens and 7 tens equals 70. So 70 is our answer. Hopefully you got 70. If you didn't, that's okay. Pay attention to see where you might have made a mistake. Because in math, we get to correct our mistakes. 7 tens, all right? So that could be one method. That's what we worked on a lot last time. Before our last lesson, we worked a little bit with place value charts. So I'm going to go up here, or I'm going to come down and make a quick T-chart. I'm not going to spend a lot of time, all right? I have my tens, and I have my ones, all right? I started with 40. So I started with 4 tens and 0 ones. Maybe this is how you did it. You go, okay, I started with 4 tens. I need to add 3 tens. So 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7. So this becomes 7 for 7 tens. And do I need to add any ones? No, I do not. I keep it the same. So that's how we get 70. Maybe you did it like that. Hopefully you did it one of those two ways. You might have drawn a picture. You might have drawn 4 tens like this. And then 3 more. And then counted them all together. That would have been a great method too. I want to focus on this method today with our T-chart. Okay? Because the next question I want to solve is 45 plus 30. Okay, so we're going to work on 45 plus 30. I want you to think about that right now and to see how you would solve that. Okay, go ahead. Take a couple seconds. Okay, if you need more time, like I always say, pause that video. You know what to do. All right, we're going to look at this, all right? 45 plus 30. Can I do my 4 tens plus 3 tens method? Can't do it the same exact way because this isn't just 4 tens. This is 4 tens and 5 ones, okay? So I don't want to write all that out. That's a little confusing. But can I make this into a group of 10 and a group of ones? Yes, I can. This is why we practice this. How many tens do I have? I have 4 tens. 4 tens is how many ones? 10, 20, 30, 40. It's 40. And how many ones do we have? We have 5. All right, here we go. 40 plus 30. Oh, I know that. We just did that. 4 tens plus 3 tens is 7 tens. So we have 7 tens. So we can do 40 plus 30, which is 7 tens, and we know is 70. And we still have this 5 left over that we haven't used, so we need to do 70 plus 5. What is 70 plus 5? Well, let's count. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Look at that. 70 plus 5 is 75. Oh. Now, I know this looks like a lot of work, but if you understand this method, and this is the method you like, I'm sure you can do it really quickly in your head. Like me, I don't even need to draw this out. I can split 45 up. Oh, okay, 40 plus 30. I still got to throw that 5 back onto my answer. This method becomes really quick if this is something you understand and really like. If you don't like this method, pay attention to my next method. Maybe this is how you solved it. Okay? So that's one way we can do it. We will be solving problems like that. Holy moly. Let me see if I can get my eraser to work. There we go. Sometimes I don't have the magic touch. All right, this time I'm going to use my T-chart. I really like this method too. This is a great way to do it. We have our 10s here and our 1s here. Switch to black. I'm starting with 45. It's 45 and then I'm adding 30, so I'm going to write the number 45 in here. So I have 4 10s, so I write a 4 on the 10 side. And I have 5 1s, so I write a 5 on the 1 side. Okay? So we're taking 45 and we're adding 30. So let's add our 10s and 1s together. Because I'm not just going to add 30, I'm going to add however many 10s there are to these 4 10s. So we have 4 10s plus how many 10s? 3 10s. So we need to do 4 plus 3. We've done that. We know what 4 plus 3 is. And if we don't, let's do it real quick and count on. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7, so 4 10s plus 3 10s is 7 10s. I need to change this 4 to a 7. Okay? And now, I have 5 1s here from 45, and I'm adding, am I adding any 1s onto it? I'm not adding any more 1s, so the 5 we have stays the 5 we have. We aren't adding or taking it away, so our answer is the same we got last time, is 75. This way obviously has a little bit less work. I wrote out the simple math sentence that we used to solve it. Some people, you guys might not even have to write it out, and we can just write it on the T-chart like this, okay? I want to try and get one more example in, okay? We'll start with the T-chart this time. Okay, here we go. Oh, hold on, let me erase first. Erase, erase, erase. Find a blank spot. All right, we are going to do 50. Let me write it way over here, actually. 50 plus 38. All right, we got 2 big numbers. This one's got some extra 1s in it. Go ahead, take some time, see if you can solve it. Good luck. All right, if you need more time, which I'm sure you do, I just don't want to sit here letting my video go on super long. Pause the video, come back when you're ready. I'm going to start with the T-chart this time, all right? Or our place value chart, sorry. So we have our, oh, that's not our 1s. We have our 10s on the left, 1s on the right. All right. We're going to start with the number that's first in our equation, and that's the number 50. So I have 5 10s. How many 1s do I have? 0. All right, so we're starting with the number 50. We're adding 38 to it. Okay? So if we're doing 50 plus 38, how many tens are we adding? So we're going to look at the number 38. We're going to look at the tens place and see how many groups of 10 we are going to be adding on to 50. Well, we have 3 tens and 8 ones. So we're going to be adding 3 tens onto it. So we have 5 tens plus 3 tens equals, what's 5 plus 3? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So 5 tens plus 3 tens equals 8 tens. So this becomes an 8. Is our answer 80? It's not. It is not. 50 has 0 ones, but we need to add some ones onto it. So now I have 8 ones. I have 0 ones plus 8 ones equals what? 0 plus 8 equals 8. If you have 0 cookies and I give you 8 cookies, now you have 8 cookies. So 0 plus 8 equals 8. So 0 ones plus 8 ones equals 8 ones. So here we go. 50 plus 38 equals 88. 88. Nice job. All right, we had to do 2 very simple math equations, or addition equations to solve this problem, and they were 2 really big numbers. Nice work. I want to show you the other method really quick before we finish for the day. All right, so we have our 2 numbers up here, 50 and 38. I want to be looking at this in just as tens and ones form, so I'm going to make a number bond out of it. 3 tens I know is 30, and then 8 ones is just 8. Boom, now I can add my easy groups of tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens, right? We bring down the 5, so 50 plus, bring down that plus sign, bring down the 30. That's me using them, so I cross them out. 50 plus 30, or 5 tens plus 3 tens, or 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 tens, 3 tens, 8 tens. 8 tens is 80. We haven't used the number 8 yet, so I got to bring my 80 over here. 80 plus 8, because we haven't used that yet. Oh, now I used it. We cross it out. 80 plus 8. If you didn't know what this equals, well, we could just count on in our head for this one. 8's not too bad, so let's put 80 in our head and count 8 more. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Oops, that's not what I meant to write. 88. So our answer is 88. Awesome. All right. So on your homework, use one of those 2 methods. If this is a method that works for you and you want to stick with it, please do. I love this method. This is how I do it in my head. But if it's a lot of writing for you and you like the way with the T-chart, please do that as well. That is a great method. Probably you're showing a little bit less work, but whichever method works best for you, okay? So you guys are going to have problems just like this in your homework, okay? So good luck with that. And remember that we want to split these into our tens and ones. Add the tens together, then add the ones together, all right? Good luck. I will see you guys during our next lesson. Have a great day.